Well, there it is. There is how we're going to clean glass. Real quick, real easy, real cheap. Any clues there from that? All right, let me do it. Let me do this then. Let me do this. What about that? Any more ideas from that? No? What about that one? I know we've got a pretty girl on the front. Ignore that. That's not the clue. What about that? Any clues from that? That's how we're going to clean the glass. You could use the New York Times or the Financial Times or some other paper, but that is it. There's our trick right there. Newspaper. It's as simple and as cheap and as effective as what you're going to see. Okay, I don't know if you can see all this, guys. I hope you can. Just a quick video how easy it is to clean glass, mirrors. This is an indoor mirror, obviously, as you can see. Don't know if you can see all that muck on there. It's all stuff I've just put on there basically for the purpose of this demonstration. And fingerprints. Okay, what I'm going to use for this is literally stone cold clean water, purely to show how well this works, with a piece of scrunched up newspaper to get all the marks off and all the muck. If you've got grease on your windows or glass, then maybe put a little bit of lemon juice or something like that, or a window cleaner if you want to do that. But the whole idea of this newspaper, what happens is the newspaper actually soaks up and gets all the grime off with no smears at all. You'll see. So all we do, guys, get a bit of newspaper, first thing, just scrunch it up, literally, and just dip it in. Give it a good soak, alright? And just get it all off, like this. Get a bit of water on there. This is actually, I'm going to tell you, this was actually tomato ketchup. I put it on there and actually dried it with a hairdryer, so it's kind of baked on there a little bit. But as I've said, it's just a piece of newspaper, bit of cold water, and yeah, there's a little bit of elbow grease involved, as I've said. Get plenty of water on there, because they're really mucky. The amount of water you need to put on is relative to the amount of mess you've got on your window or mirror, of course. So that's pretty wet now, of course. Then just get another scrunched up dry piece, carry on. So all the muck comes off and it soaks up all the water. So you're wiping all the water off and all the muck off now. And the newspaper basically soaks it all up and pulls it all off. It's as simple as that, really. So just keep folding the newspaper over. Get another piece of newspaper. And that's it basically, just carry on till the newspaper has soaked up all the mess and all the muck. It's that simple. Couldn't be easier, couldn't be cheaper, and to be honest with you, I don't think you can really do much of a better job with any other, well, with any type, should I say, of, you know, window cleaner per se, you know, purchased window cleaner or mirror, glass cleaner out of a bottle. You just keep going until it's all off. Another piece of newspaper, as I've said, yes, a little bit of elbow grease involved, but at the end of the day, does a good job, gets all the muck off, takes all the smears out, you can hear it already starting to squeak, which means it's squeaky clean, as they say. There we are. Squeaky clean, super clean, no smears, all the smears are coming out, and If you at any time, for any reason, you feel you need to put a little bit more water on before you take it off again, because there's some stubborn marks, stubborn smears or whatever, and you can do, just add a little bit more. And as I've said, if you need to, if you've got a bit of grease, if it's a bit greasy and you feel you need to add something to it, a little bit of lemon juice or vinegar, if you like, to lift the grease off, to cut through the grease, then you can do that. And then just continue as I'm doing now. To get all the marks out. As I've said, a friend of mine showed me this. He was a glazer, and obviously when you're putting glass in, you get putty smears, don't you? Because you put it in with putty the proper way. And this newspaper takes out all the putty smears. As I've said, depending on how dirty it is, will depend upon how much sort of hard work it is. But there you go, job done. As I said, yeah, a little bit of physical work to get that up and clean, but it is squeaky clean with no smears. Wonderful, wonderful. Voila. Pretty amazing really, when you think it's just newspaper and cold water. As I've said, a little bit of elbow grease required, you know, but a pretty quick, cheap and easy way to clean your glass and mirrors. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.